been facing a issue on hijab. We have been not allowed to go inside the class just because we were wearing hijab. Though it's our fundamental right, though it's our constitution right, but still they are not allowing us to go inside the class. And it's a government college though, but still we have been not allowed to go inside the class because we are wearing hijab. There are lots of discrimination done in that college. We can't, though we can't speak in Urdu, we can't do salam to each other. These are the discrimination done in that college. And this matter is becoming communal. We really don't want it. This should become a communal matter. Many political parties are taking this advantage. Literally so sad that it's becoming communal. We never wanted communal. We are just asking for a basic fundamental right, like right to religious, a basic fundamental right. But still I don't know why it's so tough to take us inside with a headscarf. It's just a headscarf. We are not asking for burqa, abhaya, nothing. We are just asking for a headscarf. And last Friday there was an incident took place. My juniors were forced to write a letter. They were forced to write a letter, which are where four professors and one principal sat together and threatened my three students who were wearing hijab, threatened them with a SEM, saying that your SEM marks, your practical marks is in my hand and you can't do anything if you don't write what I say in the letter and don't sign. I may cut your marks because your marks is in my hand. And they even said that we can even file a complaint on you, but we don't want to do that. Mentally torture them very much for 2 to 3 hours, torture them very much to write a letter. What they says, like words are their words, with their words they have to write a letter and sign. And exactly in that letter written was like, we are not coming from 15 days and our statements are wrong in the interviews. We told wrong statements. And some they just mentally harass them so much that they are in the depression. They are literally telling that really this is so too much for them, my juniors. This is being so torture for us. I feel like we to ask a basic fundamental right, we have to do so much thing. Like we have to struggle so much in this district. Like we are just asking for a basic fundamental right. Why it's so tough to give us a basic fundamental right? And there's so many officers, there's so many, like DC, DDP. We went to them, we said our situation to them. We went once, twice, we went to them, we said our situation, but still we did not get any positive response. Like we are still sitting outside in the class. We are not allowed to go inside the classroom. And if we one day we had gone inside the classroom, but the teacher scolded us, like, and she said, if you don't go out of the class, I'll push you out of the class. These are the words from lecturers. Just because we are wearing a headscarf, a hijab. Why it's so complicated? Like why they are making it so complicated when it's just about a headscarf? I don't know, but we want this right and we want justice, inshallah, and we'll get justice.